Hello, good afternoon everybody. I am here in Suriname, Paramaribo, the capital of Suriname. I am on Wilhelminastraat. This straat means street. Wilhelmina Street. This street is famous for a lot of restaurants. As you can see on my back, there is a KFC, Pizza Hut and a lot of other restaurants. But I am going specially today to show you a restaurant which is from Asia and that is from the Philippines. I came specially here to make a video with them and I'm going there now and I will talk to them and let's see and I will show you how they came here, how they make a restaurant here, who give this idea to them and how long they are doing this restaurant. Here is KFC, here is Pizza Hut, eat in, delivery, carry out. I will show you a lot of other restaurants. I'm still earlier. If I come around 8 o'clock, it will be full with people. But now it's 5:30 in the afternoon. That's why there is not a lot of people. But I have to go somewhere. I have an appointment with some other person. So I came a little bit earlier to discover this restaurant. Here is Twins Pizza and Burgers, a fast food restaurant. And on my right side, Popeye's Louisiana Kitchen. Here is Garage Bar and Restaurant. CHM एक बड़ा डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का. ये मेरे राइट साइड पे हेनिकन बार है जो कि लिखा हुआ है एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 1873. On my right side there is Heineken bar which is established in 1873. Here is that restaurant about I was talking before, Kabayan Hub. That restaurant is from the Philippines. So we have to go and we have to visit to them because I already make appointment with them. As I told you, there is a Philippines restaurant. The name of this restaurant is Kabayan Hub. Now we have to enter in that restaurant and we have to talk to the owner and their staff and give you further information how they came to Suriname and how they start this business here. Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
What's your name, please?
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm here at Suriname, Paramaribo, Suriname.
From which country you are?
And I'm from Philippines.
How long you are living in Paramaribo, Suriname?
I'm currently staying in Suriname for almost 7 years now.
Okay. So how long you doing this business?
We just opened 2 months ago.
Okay.
2 months ago.
So you are 7 years here. So what you are doing before?
We're actually still working in a company, and we're just doing this business like as part-time business.
Okay. So you have any other companion with you?
Yes, I have a friend here.
Okay.
Also Filipina.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Angelica.
What's your name, please?
Angelica from Philippines also.
Okay.
Manila.
You are from Manila.
Yes.
And you?
I'm also from Manila.
So how long you are here also?
Same.
7
Oh, same 7
We went
years.
here the same time.
Okay.
Yeah, we went here in the same.
September
Yeah.
2015.
2015. Yes.
Okay. So how did you got this idea that you will start some business here?
We are actually three
Yeah.
partners
We are
here.
partners here in the business. She is also Filipina, and we started this business because we know that Suriname likes food. That's what I know, and actually we are making Filipino foods. The reason is that we think that food is what do you call it? Meets people, you know.
Okay.
Food is only eating Filipino food makes us miss our home less than what you know.
Are you traveling sometimes to your homeland?
We went back home way back 2018 for a vacation also. Yeah, December.
Spent Christmas.
How long you stay there?
For a month.
1 month.
1 month, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, same.
Yeah,
Okay.
same. We went
We
there.
are working in a
same.
boat companies before.
How your business is going on? Because it's very new, as you told that it's opened only 2 months before. So how it's going on?
So far, it's okay.
So
It's
far,
okay.
We are still in a
We're still trying to
Boost it.
to boost
To build
our
it up.
business
Yeah.
because we want Surinamese to know Filipino food. Actually, we want them to try it, and we're sure that they will like it. I'm pretty sure
We are,
'cause they love
are
eating.
also planning to sell Surinamese
Surinamese
food like
food also.
bami, Nasir. We are just looking
Yes.
for a person who can do it.
Yeah.
Because
Who
at
can
this
teach us.
moment, I can only cook Filipino food, but maybe soon when we hire a person to cook for us, then we will try. We will sell Surinamese food also.
Is there? I feel like this is a tourist area. Is a lot of tourists also coming here in this area or not?
Yes, indeed. It's if you can see, if you check the place, there's a lot of food hubs. Also at the neighbor side, then they are selling different types of food. That's why we decided to put our business also here, to put the Filipino cuisine in spotlight.
Are you selling here some Philippine products also?
Yes, indeed, we are selling Filipino products here. So our shop is not only like a
Restaurant.
restaurant, it's also like a mini grocery shop for Filipinos.
So are you getting sometimes Filipino customers who are coming to buy some things here?
Yeah,
Yes.
you can show them.
Yes, we can.
Okay. Can we see that which products you are selling here?
Yes.
So can you tell me?
Yeah, this
what is
one
it?
is we usually use it for to cook food. If
Okay.
it's like the salt, pepper, and so you don't have to put any salt and pepper. You can just put this one, then it's good. Then this one, it's like a flavoring. Suriname does not have this one, and also this the jam, and this is like a buko pandan. I think Suriname has the pandan, but the mix, like the coconut with the pandan, they don't have. Now this one is a typical, it's a
Fish.
shrimp cubes.
Shrimp cubes.
Yes.
And what is this arroz?
This one is like easy made porridge.
Okay.
Yes, it's a easy made porridge which Filipino in Chinese they call it like anong tawag din sa ano? Angelica? Yeah.
In Chinese,
In Chinese
they call it porridge.
Like a pudding.
No. It's congee, something like that.
Okay.
Maybe. Then this one
Like a soup.
soup, yeah. But
Okay.
it's like a crab and corn. Suriname don't have it also.
And what is here down?
This is Filipino crackers or something. Then this is a coffee. Then Filipinos like cheese.
Philippine cheese.
Yeah, this is Philippine cheese.
Okay.
And this one is like the tuyo. We call it tuyo. You know tuyo? This one is like you fry it. It's a salted fish.
Okay.
Suriname has it also, but us we do it like small fish. In here we see in the market they have big ones, right? So that one for now, but we are expecting. Oh, this one. This is like a kare mix. If we are explain it to Suriname, it's like a pinda stew. Something like that, yeah. You can use this to cook peanut sauce cooking.
For cooking.
Yes. I think it's
Can I visit your kitchen?
yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Always go.
So here you are cooking.
Yes, we're cooking here. Here's our, sorry, it's sort of messy.
We are
And this is our dishwasher area, and this is our
Monday to
this is
Friday
where we cook.
and Saturdays
So,
Okay.
for
And then that is the we use
Yeah.
mostly for
feed
feeding.
after we
So there's not so much to say.
You are trying your best.
Yes.
We hope you will be very soon successful.
Yes, thank you very much. Oh, this is our mini barbecue area.
Okay.
We are selling barbecue also during the weekend.
Okay. So here you are making barbecue.
Yeah, we're making barbecue here. But
Okay.
it will only be available during the weekend. Since we are working, that's why we are only making it available during the weekend.
Traveling to Philippines. So when you are in Philippines, are you traveling to other islands sometimes also as a tourist?
Oh, that one you will, okay. Yes, whenever I go home, I usually go to places because we are living in a city, so in the capital. So we have to go, if we want to go in a beach, then we have to go somewhere like, but you can just ride a jeepney or something for you to be able to go there. It's not so far. I usually travel to Cebu to see my relatives because the family of my mom is there.
When you travel to Philippines, how did you travel from Suriname to Philippines because it's very far?
Oh, whenever we travel to Philippines going back, we usually take the flight from Suriname going to Netherlands, Amsterdam, Schiphol Airport. Then from there, it's either we take a long layover hours or like 4 hours or so. Then the flight goes from Amsterdam going to Bangkok, mostly Bangkok, Thailand. Then we will transfer in an airplane from there, a transit one. Then from Bangkok we'll go to Philippines. So it's 2 countries before we can be able to reach.
So from Suriname, Paramaribo to Philippine Manila, how long it takes all together?
So far the shortest travel I tried is 36 hours in total.
It's a long travel.
Yes, indeed, it's a long travel.
So that is your menu.
Yes, this is
So
our
these
menu.
things, okay.
Yeah.
So everybody can read that one
Yes, it
and
has
they
like
can
a-
see.
It
And
has adobo. Filipino likes or loves adobo.
Adobo, okay.
Yes, with the caldereta, the tapsilog. The tapsilog is like a beef jerky, marinated meat with egg and fried rice. That's our kind of breakfast. In Philippines, we eat rice every day, like during breakfast, during lunch, and during dinner sometimes snacks. So Filipinos love rice.
Here in Suriname also like that.
Yeah, they love nasi. They love nasi and kip and bami.
Okay, Anna, sometimes some seamen also coming here in Suriname from Philippines.
Yes, like if they are working like in in sea. Yes, one of our friends are working like that. Some of them are working through a cargo ship. Then they're going here at Suriname. Then they are in the boat with some of the crew, same Filipinos and so.
Anna, thank you very much. We came here. I see that a Philippine restaurant here in South America, which was a surprise to me. That how can the people came from Philippines to Suriname?
Yes.
So you explained very well, and thank you very much. Hope
Yes,
we
you're
pray
welcome.
for your business successful, and you will get a good business in future.
Anyway, thank you, well.
Thank you very much.
Good idea.
Thank you very much, both of you.
Yes.
And
Thank you very
see you
much.
next time.
Thank you very
And
much.
success
Nasir.
for your business.
Thank you.
Take care. See you in the Philippines.
Yes, see you. Bye.